Alright, so I'm doing some computer repair today. And so I bought this keyboard a little while back. It's a Microsoft Ergonomic keyboard. I've been trying to assemble it because the O key and the F key are not working. And so I thought I'm just going to open it up and I'm going to clean it up and make it work. So right here you can see we have this part goes right here. This part goes right here. So I was thinking, alright, I've done this before. I've taken keyboards apart before. You just unscrew the things. Here are all the screws. And maybe that will load. There are a bunch of screws in there. That's what the bottom of the keyboard uses. And I thought, alright, so I'm going to take it apart, clean it up, make it work. So the O and F key works because I don't want to spend another $50 on a good keyboard. This is ergonomic. It works really well when it works. Alright, so then I thought, okay, so I just unflip this thing here. I'm going to unscrew. Basically, just take the screwdriver the way you do when you clean the keyboard. Zip, 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 etc. I already did that before the video started. So, yeah. I have no screws left. It's all unscrewed. Nothing there, as you can see. And so I'm like, alright, we're just going to open it up. Which you do like the way it should work. You just do that. It doesn't open. Why would... Which means that there is in here, underneath the serial number sticker, if you peel this off, you will see that it doesn't matter because I'm never going to sell this. This here is a piece of plastic that goes all the way through the keyboard, making it so the only way you can repair the keyboard is by damaging it in a way that it can never be fixed again. I've cleaned keyboards before. It should be really simple. Undo the screws. There might be a few plastic latches. Nothing that makes the keyboard completely unbreakable. But, given time and energy, keyboards will get dirty. It's an inevitable part of owning a computer. Doesn't matter how careful you're going to be. And because they get dirty, every few years you need to open it up and clean it out. Take a little wash, clean all the dust and gunk that's accumulated. Microsoft made this keyboard. And they made it in a way that you can't fix it. Why? Why would you make a product?
They make more money off of you. It's simple.
Yeah.
They don't want you to fix it. They want you to replace it.
Replace, as my friend said. So, when buying a keyboard, do your research. Make sure that it is one that you can fully take apart every couple years and clean it out. I'm going to have to buy a new keyboard now. Unless if I fully break the plastic, but I don't think it's designed to do that. And, yeah, this is just a really big problem in consumer electronics. This is why the next computer I have I'm probably just going to build it myself off of parts on Newegg. And this is a really big problem. So, Microsoft, next time you make a keyboard, please make it more user-friendly so that people can fix their products. Probably won't see this video, but it's worth a shot. I feel like I've been ripped off. I should have spent an extra $20 to get a keyboard I could fix. Well, that's it. Remember to do your research. I didn't do mine well enough. It cost me a lot of money too. Alright, bye.